that the hours of curfew in the territory of the Republic of Kenya shall continue to be observed from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. for a further containment period of 60 days. Consequently, the differentiated curfew hours and specific restrictions for the previously identified COVID-19 hotspot zones of Kisumu, Siaya, Homa Bay, Migori, Busia, Kakamega, Vihiga, Bungoma, Kisii, Nyamira, Kericho, Bomet, and Trans Nzoia counties are lifted, and these counties will now observe the nationwide curfew prescriptions as specified herein. That all physical and in-person public gatherings and meetings, including political rallies and campaign meetings for impending by-elections, are hereby suspended with immediate effect for a period of 60 days. That all other social gatherings, including weddings, celebrations of marriage or traditional unions, ceremonies of rites of passage, funeral or cremation ceremonies, and or other similar events or ceremonies shall strictly be attended by immediate family members and at any rate adhere to the 100-person attendance limit as prescribed. That places of worship nationwide shall continue to strictly adhere to the 1/3 rule for in-person worship and congregational worship and protocols of hygiene and social distance within the guidelines of the Interfaith Council. That enforcing these measures, all security agencies are directed to ensure that the organizers and or individual leaders, including senior public sector officials and political leaders, take personal responsibility and are held to account for any violation of the measures.